The HARTING Han connector series is the gold standard for heavy-duty industrial connectors. HARTING invented the rectangular connector in the 1950s to address the industry's pain points surrounding large, circular MIL-spec connectors. The Han industrial connector became the industry standard because of its ease of installation and space savings compared to the circular connector. The connector line evolved to meet the ever-growing need of the market. These evolutions included the introduction of the Han modular connector, connectors from a variety of different materials such as thermoplastic and stainless steel, as well as a miniaturized line. This connector series has options for every environment type, starting from IP20, which can be used in semiconductor clean labs, all the way to IP69K, which can be used in heavy washdown environments. Whatever the industrial application, the Han industrial connector has the solution.